Up next, Bandai Perfect Grade Millennium Falcon. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SprueHub.com and welcome to another unboxing video. So after about over 2 weeks waiting for this sucker to arrive back to me, it has finally come, all in one piece, all looking good. And a few people asked me to do an unboxing. I know a lot of people have seen this kit already, but a few people asked me to do an unboxing on this. So we're gonna unbox it, show you all the pieces and all that good stuff that's in here. I'm not gonna take it out of the wrapping because I wanna keep it perfect for now. And this sucker's gonna be lit up, painted, all the good doodads are gonna be on this kit. So let's get over to the bench and show you what's in here. So this is the huge box. It's got the flapperoonies over here. Another picture over there if you can see it. And then I'm knocking my stuff down. I don't know what you can see right now, but there is a huge box of stuff in here which we're going to pull out and show you hopefully all the runners in a quick amount of time. So for those of you who have not seen this yet, this is the box that is inside the box, and it is full. I mean, it is just full of runners in here. A ton of stuff. So let me start taking it out and I'll show it to you piece by piece. And the first thing I'll go over, and I'm not going to go in depth because it is huge, is the instruction booklet. You'll open it up, it's got a really cool picture, and then it's going to start showing you everything that's in the kit, and then it'll go into your lighting and then into the building of the model. But just to give you an idea of what you're in for with this kit, this is a serious book on how to build this kit, and it just goes all the way through to everything till you finally get to the end with the color call outs and positioning of stuff on the ship. So this thing is pretty massive. So there's a ton of packages in here. If there's any duplicates, I'm just gonna fly by those, but like I said, I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. I'm going to leave it in the packaging for now because I'm not building it right now. So you got the vents back here. You can see all the detail in here. Hopefully you can, because I really can't zoom in that much. The pieces are so big. You can see the parts they used off of tanks and stuff like that. And that's the size of my hands, is just this one little piece here. And then you got more of the hull over here, which is pretty big itself. Here's the next package with more of the hull, and again, for scale, my hand doesn't even come close to covering that up. This thing is just going to be humongous. And inside where your locking pins are and stuff like that. Let's move on to the next piece. And again, another piece of the hull that's pretty big, and you can see they added in the battle damage over here for you, so you don't have to go cutting up the ship itself. All the little greeblies and stuff around here. Very nice detail so far on the kit. And the next set is the interior and also venting. It's molded in black, so it's kind of hard to see all the detail, but once it is painted up, you'll be able to see that. And if you're inclined to light up all those little crazy switches on there. I'm sorry that a lot of this isn't very close, but how big this stuff is, it's really hard to get in focus, and I'm trying to keep the glare off it as much as possible. And on this runner, you have the cockpit. You can see right there where you can leave the windows in or out of it to do it like the studio version, leading down to the cockpit. You got the radar dish over here and some more parts over here. So each runner is just coming with a crazy amount of parts for this kit. And this one's a simple one. It's just a black stand for the ship. Got a big flat piece here and then some more pieces in the back. And this here I think is for the back engines, and this is where the lighting's going to be coming through. This is the Perfect Grade kit that comes with lighting. So this video doesn't take forever. We're just going to go over stuff pretty quickly because a lot of you guys, like I said, have seen this before. This is just 8 bags of outer parts to the hull of the ship, the escape pods, greeblies, the ramps. So you just got a whole mess of stuff in here. I mean, it's just crazy the amount of parts you have in here. And in this package, you have the back of the ship, you have the grills for the lighting. I think the lights go in here for the lighting kit. Then you have, ooh, I don't want to break anything. Then you have for the mandible, I'm pretty sure up front, these parts are for, because I'm not looking at the instructions, and more highly detailed parts over here for the ship. Here are the parts for the guns on the bottom and the top of the ship, I'm pretty sure. And then more detail parts. I mean, there are so many tiny detail parts. I actually want to look through and see what parts I can figure out that were taken from other model kits and placed on here. It'll be pretty cool to figure that out. And then you have more details for the top of the ship and the bottom of the ship, and a whole bunch more detail over here. I wish I could all show it to you, but like I said, I wanted to make this kind of quick just to show you how many bags and how many parts are in here. And this package is actually double parts. This is definitely the front of the ship. Then you'll have the front here and here. Like I said, it's the same parts. You'll put these in here for the detail, and then you'll slap those on the ship and make it look nice. So you can see like the little details here and here and here. They really did an outstanding job on this kit. Hey, there's a tank part in there. I see that. And now we have a box inside of the box. So we're going to see what's inside of the box. So this is what's inside the box. Inside the box, it is all the delicate pieces, all the piping and everything that goes all over the ship. That's on all of these sprues down here, or runners I should say. There's 4 different runners with a whole bunch of stuff. So that was pretty smart of Bandai to put all these delicate parts on their own sprues and put it into another box for safekeeping. So that's where these are going back to right now. And the last runner in that box has more delicate stuff, but it also has the figures over here. You got C-3PO, Luke Skywalker, Chewbacca, Han Solo, Princess Leia, and Obi-Wan Kenobi. And here it comes with the lighting kit. This is the perfect grade. So this is the little lighting kit they give you. I'm not sure how it works, but it's all pre-wired LEDs over here. It looks like it's plug and play right into the sockets that they have on the sides here. And there's a couple switches on top. I'd have to read the directions to see what does what. And last but not least is the decal sheet, where if you don't light it up, you have the whole interior with the cockpit and stuff and all the panels across the ship, and a whole slew of tiny little decals over here that go all over the ship. Now if I do this right, hopefully I do, there's some stickers back here, and then you have the PE over here for around the cockpit and over the vents. But most likely we're not going to be using this. I shouldn't say most likely. I am not going to be using this because I have all the PE from Green Strawberry. They sent it over, so we can do the Millennium Falcon up with that, and that's what I'm going to be doing with it. So that is pretty much it on the Falcon. So that's it on the Millennium Falcon. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I wasn't going to go over every part in here. I just wanted to show you the sheer size of this thing and how many parts come in here. So if you're thinking about getting this guy, it is a big model, and it's going to take a lot of time to do. But you will be seeing this model built up with full lighting. It's going to be painted, if not exactly, pretty darn close to what you saw in the movie, and most likely it's going to have a special base. So keep an eye out for information coming up about this kit. Thanks again for stopping by, everybody. We'll see you all soon. Oh, don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Have a good night, everybody. Take care, and bye-bye.